The Amur leopard is the rarest subspecies of leopard left in the world. Its habitat is confined to the Land of Leopard National Park and the Northeast Tiger Leopard National Park on the Russian-Chinese border. It is an apex predator in one of the world's richest temperate ecosystems and is responsible for maintaining biodiversity through regulating species such as sika deer, wild boar, and Siberian roe deer. Controlling these prey species is essential. Maintaining the health of the ecosystem prevents overgrazing plant life and protects the lower trophic levels of the food chain. Habitat fragmentation has been caused by increased urbanization with surrounding national parks. This urbanization limits the leopard's ability to roam and impacts their ability to prey. Roads such as the X87, agricultural expansion, and urban developments like the Ralsdonia development strip and the Vladivostok-Kharkov highway have been major obstacles in affecting the species. The Amur leopard's habitat has been reduced from 71,971 kilometres squared to 10,709 kilometres squared in 2015 due to this increase in urbanisation. Urbanisation has not only fragmented the animal's habitat, but also led to the Amur leopard's isolation, meaning less Amur leopards within proximity. Isolation has caused low genetic diversity due to limited mating opportunities and led to increased inbreeding. Male to female ratio habitat due to habitat fragmentation also contributes to low population recovery. Amur leopard growth is increasing, but at a very slow rate. In 2007, 25 to 34 Amur leopards were recorded. In 2015, that number rose to 64 to 67, and by 2023, there are 128 Amur leopards within the two national parks. Although these statistics highlight growth, it is a concerning rate for a vulnerable apex predator species. Preserving what natural environment we have left in this world should be everyone's priority. If population numbers of Amur leopards do not recover in the Land of Leopard National Park and the NTLNP, there is a threat that the ecosystem will be unstable and caused by a disruption of predator-prey dynamics and reduction in biodiversity. Short-term consequences caused by Amur leopard populations lead to increased herbivore populations. Overgrazing of these species will impact plant biodiversity, negative impact forest health. Nature is interconnected, and the loss of one species set off the chain reaction that not only would impact the richest temperate ecosystem in the world, but the loss of another magnificent animal due to human interference. This is an ethical issue. Due to the human interference from urbanization, poaching, and other human activities, too many species have gone extinct. It is our responsibility to ensure that we protect the flora and fauna that we have left so we do not harm the environment that we also rely on to survive. Conservation efforts include the creation of the protected areas such as the Land of Leopard National Park, created in 2012, and the Northeast Tiger National Park, created in 2021. China and Russia are also collaborating and working together to protect the species. Through the creation of ecological corridors to help the species move freely across the border, China's Natural Forest Protection Project involves strict conservation policies that limit human activity, road closures, and reforestation efforts. Continuous monitoring through the camera traps are also implemented and crucial to ensure population does not decline. As a society, we can assist in helping preserve this species by donating to Wildcats Conservation Alliance and other research organisations that help monitor the Amur leopard. We can also be mindful when visiting national parks, not only in this area, but anywhere. Ensure never to leave rubbish, slow down when driving through protected areas, and minimise disruption to these animals by being mindful of activities we partake in that may disturb movement around their habitat.